Yo, what's good? 3 people? Wow. Wow. I feel blessed. What's up? Hold up. Who I got? Who's my 3 peoples? I gotta know. Now I got 2. Damn. That's me? One was the loneliest number that you ever knew. I'm giving you guys some golden pipes right now, man. Hope you appreciate that. Welcome. Happy to have you here. If you're here. If you're not, screw you. Oh, shit. Kevin Sugas, what's up, man? That's my homie. What's up, man? How you been? Getting better and shit? I know you're feeling under the weather, but cheers. Cheers, Kev. How you been? Good? Chilling out? Taking it easy? Cool. Maybe it's even working out too much, man. Got sick and shit. I don't know. 3 people, what's up? Who else we got in here? I'm good. Feeling better, man. Good. Got you some crypto for Christmas, man. Cheers. All right. What's up? We're going to give some people some time to filter up in here. I'm a little late. I went to the cycling class, man. Got to get my fitness up. My quads, man. They be getting all bulgy and shit. I'm like, oh, goddamn. I got some junk in that trunk. Just kidding. It's weird. I don't know. Welcome, guys. This is, what the f is this? This is Crypto and Coffee. I do this every Sunday. It used to be at 9 o'clock. Now it's more like 9:50 because I'm trying to get like a personal life back and shit. You know how it is. You guys good? Wan Chain dead? 10. That sounds like a personal question. Do I think it's dead? No. Why? Because, man, everything's freaking tanking. But look, I'm not going to have everyone come up on this channel asking about this coin dead, is that coin dead, blah, blah, blah. Look, guys, look. This is not like a super bullish time for crypto right now. We got small caps, we got mid caps, we got large caps. Why would you expect small caps to be outperforming large caps? That's not how the money flows, yo. Come on, guys. I thought I explained this shit. Oh, I gotta calm down. I drank too much. I ate too much. I drank too much. Too much pie. Eating it. Nom. Too much coffee. God. Pretty much got a coffee IV up on me. I started drinking more tea now, though. But no, Wan Chain's not dead, man. Come on, dog. You can't be setting me up like that and shit on my own goddamn live stream? Yeah, I'm too swole. You got too swole, man. That's the problem. Cheers from Uruguay. Hey, that's tight. Cheers from Ventura County. I don't know much about Uruguay, man. I would say something witty right now. Hey, people, what's up? How was your Christmas? How was your holidays? If you don't do Christmas, if you don't do any of those, how was your week? Was it cool? Did you get the bicycle you wanted? 10 speed? Probably. Did you get the video game you wanted? I didn't get the pump I wanted, but we can't always win. We can't always win. It's okay. 9 people, what's up? I know I was a little MIA on Wednesday. I actually freaking forgot. My bad. My bad. Hey, it's been raining like a bitch out here. A lot of rain, man. I'm not used to that. Scrambling my brain and shit. 8 people, what's up? God damn. Sorry for asking. How much you deadlift, bro? Nah, man. I be throwing shit just for shits and giggles. I get a little extra sometimes. Ever since I was a little kid, I was a little extra, man. I was that kid that would go 0 to 100 real quick. I'd do it now still. You could obviously tell. But how much I deadlift? Man, I haven't deadlifted in a long time, man. I haven't deadlifted in a while. I used to deadlift a lot. But, now I'm cycling. I'm going to get back on it. That was my New Year's resolution. I'm going to start weightlifting again. I had some back problems, though, man. Because I used to work like a desk job. I'd be sitting for like 9-10 hours every day, like for like 7 years. Like that shit effed me up. So I've been going like to chiropractor and shit. But I think I'm getting back to the point where I could actually like start doing that. But dang man, when you have back problems, everything hurts. It's the worst. I was like, I can't believe I'm feeling this old. I'm not even that old. Well, according to my cousins, I'm old as hell. But according to the rest of the world, I'm not. I don't know. I'm in between. 8 people, what's up? Got a Wolfpack shirt for Christmas. Oh shit, that's sick. You did? Santa. Fucking Santa, man. You be seeing my link. Okay. If you guys don't know, that's a good one. That's a good one, Link. Thanks for putting me on. And thanks for supporting the channel. Or someone supporting the channel. I appreciate that. You guys never have to. You never have to. I know everyone should feel pressured by it. But if you're going to, I appreciate that. Let me share my screen real quick. I'll show you my shit. Because if I can't show you my shit, what has it all been for? Okay, very good. Check this out. Come follow me, Dubdigital to use. Apparently it's pronounced Dubdigital. I didn't fucking know that. I guess that's phonetically how you spell it. Yeah, I tweet out stuff. Yeah. I'll be doing that stuff. Tweeting out cool stuff. Look, you go watch Woodley get knocked the hell out. That's fun. Also, you could come over to my merch store. This is where Santa obviously got Lane's Christmas present. And you could come get some late Christmas presents or some New Year's presents or just a random day of the week present. We got cool designs here. Wolfpack, Moon Squad. Moon Squad's pretty hot. But, do what you do. What else? Odyssey. Follow me at odyssey.com. I'm not going to pull it up. I should have did it before, but I'm ill-prepared. Admittedly so. Yeah. Follow me at odyssey.com in case we get disconnected, guys. I'm telling you, at one point, I might not be on YouTube anymore. To be quite honest, look, I came into this looking for crypto friends. Crypto friends. Now I found crypto friends. I got enough. I'm never going to grow huge on YouTube because I say controversial shit. That's just who I am. But the people who found the diamond in the rough, we can continue. YouTube might not go on forever, but doesn't mean our relationship has to end there. But I'm not going anywhere right now. Calm down, man. I'm going to see this through. I'm going to finish the job. I started it. I'm going to finish it. Don't trip. That's the kind of guy I am. But make sure to follow me on Twitter. Make sure to follow me on Odyssey in case there is a disconnect that I don't initiate. Happens, man. People be disappearing on YouTube every day. Just saying. 9 people, what's up? When this DGP goes, I'm going to buy a log cabin. Want a log cabin, man? Made out of logs? Damn. Hey, I was listening to a podcast about like homesteading. Shit, man. They used to give in Cali, you can't even get an acre for under $1 million, but they used to give out 40 acres and a mule to freaking develop the United States when it was new. God damn, man. 40 acres, that's a lot of freaking land, man. You're gonna build a log cabin? You're gonna work the land? Live out the land? That's tight, man. That's intense as shit. Hey, Abraham Lincoln, he did that shit, man. Smart as hell. Do you do blow? No, I don't do blow. I don't do blow. Look, man, I mean, shit, dude. Blow, I don't even know what I would be like on blow. This is just coffee, man. This is coffee and tea. I was excitable, little kid, if you couldn't tell. Let's see. I'm in the UK, bro. LOL. Shit. They got log cabins in the UK? I cannot tell a lie. When I'm going to build a log cabin built out of Pez dispensers. Shit. That's not a log, bro. It's a Pez cabin. What's up, Dubdigital? Been a minute, man. Hope the Christmas was good to you, man. One love. Hey, thanks, Len. How you been, man? Yeah, that's a fresh hat, man. Where you get that? Shit. How was you guys' Christmas? I want to know what you got for Christmas. We're gonna do a little catch up. What you guys get for Christmas? I want to know. Put it down below. Better be crypto. It better be crypto. Nah, I know your wife's saying, I need more crypto. They're like, what the fuck? You already got more of that. Enough of that shit. She buys you crypto. She's a real one, man. Cheers to the crypto honeys that be buying that man's crypto. Yeah, that's good. That's good. 10 people, what's up? We're going to get going. Shit. Squirrel. Okay. Good morning, Dub D. Hey, what's up, man? And Wolfpack. Happy New Year and stuff. Yeah, just wrap it all in together. The Fear and Greed Index still at 37. Who owns that site? I wish I had more dry powder. Kind of fully invested, but bully. Hey, that's the thing, man. Happens. I mean, unless you got like super deep stacks and shit or have great, I guess, resource management, happens. Sometimes you get caught with their pants down. That's happened to me more times I'd like to admit. Happens, right? The thing I say is the best thing to do in a macro bull trend specifically, is to buy the dip. But if you can't do that because life is hard and life is long, then just hold through the dip, right? It's not a big deal. Look, don't be overextending yourselves. Don't be overextending yourselves when you don't have to. Yeah, we're going to make a lot of money, but you're not going to make no money if you don't get there. You know? Ha ha ha. My girl do not F with crypto. I try to pull her on, but she refused to believe in it even through my I'm up 3x from January. Man, she be hating, man. What? Hey, you know what though, Leonard? You know what she's gonna know? You know what she's gonna understand? Money talks, bro. Money talks. You know, girls, they be hating on crypto until it buys them that, that outfit. Oh, the magic internet money until it buys you that fit. Huh? What about now? You don't believe in the crypto now? Huh? You could write her and show her that. And then, like, in a couple months, she'll be like, damn, that dude was onto something. Not financial advice, LOL. Ah, ha, ha, ha. Okay, guys. Sounds like everything's going well. Sounds like everything's going good. Crypto's good. New Year's coming up. Be safe. Don't drive drunk. Do all that good stuff. But as for me, just kind of in a holding pattern, man. I've kind of been, obviously, I mean, the New Year is like in half a week. So apparently speaking, the cycle looks like it may be extending to some extent. It might, I don't know, like obviously it's extended past the 4-year. It'll be interesting to see how far. I'm not of the opinion that it's going to be going for multi-years outside of this. Like I'm thinking, I looked at the Bitcoin the Bitcoin like liquid index chart we look at. The structure it's currently in is indicating between March and May. Okay. Now everyone's saying March and May though. And Bitcoin has a history of doing things that throw people off. So will it come sooner than that? Will it come January? Will it come February? That is yet to be seen. That's what I'm saying, man. We got to be liquid. We got to be flexible in the way we view this market. It's not about being right and like being rigid. That is not what this is. This is taking data points, taking previous patterns, analyzing them. And as you get more data points, you can refine your outlook of the future, right? It's like tweaking. You start with outline, you get more concrete evidence. Oh, the picture's more clear. You get more data points. Now it's much more clear. We're getting more data as it comes along. We're going to look at it, guys. We're going to look at it. I guess we should look at it. My chart's not up. Bitcoin dominance. I pulled the wrong one. Give me a second. The homie though, KT, that's my old homie. I got him in 2019. Kev? Yeah. He's been on the journey with me. Let's see. What the fuck? Where is it? Trading. Oh. That didn't make no sense. Bitcoin liquid. Cool. Bada bing, bada boom. It's the same chart we look at every single time, guys. Why do we do this? Why don't we look at other charts? Because how are you gonna analyze, progression if you don't look at the same snapshot in time? So obviously, guys, we've been looking at this chart ever since down here, October 2020. I started my channel around May and June of 2020. Okay. A lot of things have happened since that time, huh? A lot of growth. I mean, guys, just so you know, I quit my job here off the faith of the 4-year cycle around here. Since then, even with up and down turbulence, yeah. Turbulation? Not a word. Okay. Up and down turbulence. We're still up from that point about 426%. It's not bad, guys. Okay. Let's keep it in perspective. We used to be up about 568%. We gave some back. Even at the worst point, we were still up since I made a huge ass bet, risky ass bet. I left everything on the table. Even from that point, where we would still be up 212%, even at the ultimate low at 29,000 for Bitcoin around June of 2021. Why do I do that? To frame it correctly, right? We've been in this downwards and holding pattern for a very long time, approximately 220 days or so. That's a long time. That's a good part of a year. You're in that kind of like market for a while. Your brain starts playing tricks on you. You're like, oh, it's never going to go up. It's been like this forever. It hasn't been like this forever. Just remember where we came from, guys. Remember where we came from, because I remember being down here, and this was horrible. I tried to catch falling knives and shit. My shit kept going down. I said, okay, it can't go down anymore. Boom, another 50% down. This was bad. My mental was in the shitter. But it ended. It ended, guys. Everything changes with the passing of time. Nothing is permanent. Life is impermanence. Just like the tide, it comes in and it comes out. We will get through this too, even though it feels like a lot. Just know you're not the only thing in the whole universe that nothing never changes. Everything changes. Shitty times change and good times change. Currently, we're coming out of a shitty time. What comes next? A good time. That's just a universal law, guys. But with that said, you see I drew a triangle, right? We bounced off this bottom trend line, indicating that, what was started in July of 2021, this bottom trend line is valid for the most part right now. Okay. I drew a top trend line on top of it. The nexus point is where the latest it should break out at, right? To the upper, the downside. All we know is a big volatility event is coming because we have a constriction of the price action. Okay. So at the very latest, we're looking at another 154 days. I don't even know what that is. I probably should. My bad. It's approximately 5 months. Add 5 months on top of this, that brings us out to the the main time frame that I talked about, right? But what about these patterns, right? Do they usually break out the last point? No, they usually break out somewhere before in the last third, right? So that's about what? Not January. I would say March. Somewhere around February to March, probably more in the March time frame. If it doesn't break out soon after the end of the year or beginning of the year in January, we're probably looking at about a March to May time frame. But one thing's certain and one thing's clear, guys, there will be a resolve to this, to the upper or the downside. Okay. And because we've had the cyclical high set in April 2021 was about 65,000. We came up again and set a higher one in November 2021 at about 69,000, right? So a double top typically shows exhaustion when you have two tops. The first one is higher than the second. That's not the case here. The first one was actually lower than the second. Okay. So that's not like typical exhaustion. That's showing you that it does and has overcome the price point that it recently hit. It's just taking longer to play out. But what do we know, guys? What do we know? And this is pretty general because there's no secret sauce here. We have to wait for time to play out here. But we keep things in perspective. What do we know? The longer a price is suppressed, the greater the expanse on the back end. We've been suppressed for a very long time, suggesting that the expanse at the back end should be something worth sticking around for. because 10%, like 90% of the move happens in 10% of the time. If you're in for 80% and miss that 10%, what the hell were we doing here? What are we doing here? You know, this is where it really comes down to like separates the boys and the men. Well, this is good enough. This is getting too scary. It's too risky. I'll take what I can get and run. Okay. But you do know that 90% of the move happens in 10% of the time. Time's running out, which means that 10% is coming closer and closer every single day that we have to wait. So every single day that you can last in this market means the probability of you getting that big payout is becoming greater and greater and greater. Well, Dubdigital, what if it falls down? Yeah, what if it falls down? Okay, that's not like logic, guys. Thinking what if it falls down, assuming the worst. That's not a plan. That's not logic. That's just being scared. It don't take no skill to be scared. What if it fell down here? It didn't. It rose up again. What if it falls down here? Okay, how about here? How come it didn't go to zero here? What about here? How come it didn't go to negative bucks here? How come it didn't go negative bucks here? We could keep going. How come it didn't go negative bucks here? What about here? What about anywhere in Bitcoin's history? We can apply that same logic all the way. What if? What if? What if? I've been hearing that too much, man. Too much. Too much. Look, I get it if you're scared. It's scary shit. But we knew this. We knew it. You knew it. I knew it. I told you. Crypto is volatile to the upside and the downside. We're in a holding pattern now. But this same thing happened to Ethereum in 2017. I guess we could look at it, huh? I don't have it charted out. USD. I remember buying Ethereum for 3 to 5 months in 2017 before it took off. Yeah. See that? I do have it charted. What the fuck? Between June 2017 to November 2017, approximately 161 days, it did something similar. An ascending triangle, and the log's on. Yeah. So without the log on, ascending triangle to the upside for multi-months with the blow off. This, what I'm basically saying, this structure on ETH looks very similar to what's occurring here. Was this a monthly or the weekly? Weekly. Let's go on the monthly. Okay, it disappeared. Okay, let's not do that. See? Ascending triangle. Ascending triangle. ETH then ran up approximately 286%. Let's just do the same freaking percentage. Why not? I mean, might as well. You guys do anything? You busy? 286% would take us, and I mean, if it's from the top of the triangle, I mean, that would be even higher. Let's do that because everyone likes bigger numbers. 286% would be like $270,000. Guys, if you think this is impossible, it's not. It's happened before on other cryptos. It's happened before with other cryptos. Lots of other cryptos, okay? It's not, it only sounds crazy because it's a big ass number. But it wasn't crazy when Bitcoin went from cents to freaking $100. That happened. It's just less impressive because $100 isn't $100,000. But it did the same thing when it went from 100 to 1,000. And it did the same thing when it went 1,000 to 20,000. So going from 50,000 to 200,000 is not that crazy. It's only a 4x. Percentages, guys. Think in percentages. Don't think in nominal terms. Percentages. It's much more feasible when you think in percentages. But Dubdigital, $250,000. God damn, that's a lot of money. Yeah, you know, they printed a lot of money too. It's not exactly the apples to apples same game that we were playing 4 years ago. The money expansion of the supply is so much greater now. So hitting a $200,000 of Bitcoin is much easier now. Whatever. I'm just saying, guys. I feel like, yeah, we could look at like there ain't no secret sauce in the chart. Go look at anyone on YouTube. They be saying some random shit. We gotta wait for it to play out. You see the structure. This is where my macro comes in handy, because everyone zooms up. They zoom on up. They try to look at, what's going to happen from this week. They can tell what's going to happen for the next month. No. You have to look at the macro structure. And this is where we have an advantage if you're a macro investor. Because these people who trade the hourlies and stuff, the 4 hours, they're lost as shit. They don't know what's going on. They're scared. They're dropping bags. They say it's dead because they have the view of a gnat. Be like an eagle. Fly up in the sky. Look at the whole picture. Birds of a feather to flock together, man. 14 people, what's good? But you get what I'm saying? Am I happy that the cycle may extend? I mean, unless there's like a straight up candle like that happens right now, which doesn't typically happen, I got to be real about it. Okay. Looks like we might extend a little bit. I don't think it's going to be a lot of it. But Dubdigital, what about the super cycle, man? They be saying Bitcoin super cycle, it's going to go up forever. Well, okay, I heard that shit too. I believe that shit too. That's why I got wrecked. Just trying to help you out. It's not like I'm new here. It's going to have a blow off and it's going to come to an end. When that blow off occurs, that's what everyone's trying to figure out. But I don't think it's going to be a long extended super cycle, man. Because that's what they always say. It's a new paradigm. Bitcoin's never going down. We're geniuses. And then the bottom falls out from under them. And they're shitting their pants. Just like I was shitting my pants in 2018. 12 people, what's up? How much you bench was a verbal meme before there was memes. 1996 pop culture made me giggle. How much you bench, bro? Man, I don't know. Like the whole lockdown shit. I used to go to the gym a lot, but then I was like, I don't want to go. I'm trying to get back into it though. 14 people, what's good? Facts man should understand. Come the next few months. Ha ha ha. Hodl. But do your own research. Yeah, man. She gonna understand. They understand money, man. Hey, what can I say? What's good, Dub? What's up, man? How you been? Maybe even earlier, 2019. Oh, then 2019. Yeah, I remember, man. It's been a while. It's been hard, though, huh? It's not easy, multi-years, but you did it. Keep on holding. Don't give up now. Makes me think what the next halving will have a huge impact on scarcity. That but Lane, the halving always has a huge impact on scarcity. Always. See, it's just now it has more visibility now. Like halving a supply every 4 years is a lot. I mean, I don't even know a resource in the world that does that. Like imagine every 4 years, oil in the earth halved. That'd be crazy. That would be insane. That's what Bitcoin basically does. And with Ethereum, you can make a case that EIP 1159, that's like a continuous halving. That's like the effect, of like 8, 9, 10 Bitcoin halvings happening constantly. Like, see, digital scarcity is something the world's never, ever seen before. Because, like, typically in nature, you can't really control the rate of which things halve. It just happens. It's the reality of the situation. But with digital scarcity, it's programmable. It's artificial in that sense. It's something that hasn't really occurred in the natural world. So people aren't going to understand Bitcoin scarcity until it's really understandable. You hear what I'm saying? Like they're going to understand Bitcoin scarcity. It's going to become like real to people when countries are fighting over a Bitcoin. Then everyone's going to be like, damn, Bitcoins are scarce, huh? It's like, yeah. We try to tell you. What's up? I'm having trouble claiming my CMDX from staking XPRT. I tried the magic transaction and never received it. Can you suggest anywhere for help getting my CMDX? Yeah, dude. Like, I actually know that they've been having problems with that. That's been a widespread thing. The team's working on a guide, I believe. Go join their Telegram group. Yeah, hold up. Let me help you out. Let me help out the homie real quick. CMDX. Oh, Comdex. Hey, they doubled since. They've been going up, man. happy with it. But yeah, people like complaining about that. I get it. Yeah, go follow them. You can go find like their Telegram right here. t.me/Comdex chat, and that's the community chat. And you can go like ask the they have like devs and stuff in there, or you can get access to the devs through there. But I know the team knows it's a problem and they're putting together a guide. I know like the founder is working on that, I think. Yeah. But yeah, I haven't got mine either. So like I'm waiting for that guide. But it's a snapshot. So you're gonna get it. It's just I think there's some problems with the mechanism. I did a magic transaction too. But yeah, if you guys had any Cosmos, if you had any XPRT, even holding it, not even staking it, holding it, if you had any Luna, you can get this airdrop. We just got to get that sorted out. But CMDX has been doing pretty good, man. I mean, I can't complain as a token. I got a homie into this pretty early. They be liking it. Yeah. It dropped down to like $1.90. And now it's up almost double. Guys, the thing is this. Little alpha on CMDX Comdex. It's a synthetics platform for pretty much the XPRT ecosystem, but it's basically the first one in the whole Cosmos ecosystem to be doing synthetics. Synthetics was really big on Ethereum, so just FYI, and this is interoperable. There's going to be 200 million coins ever to be out released. Right now, there's only 12 million. Whoa there, that's 6% of the supply. That's thin. Fair launch project. So no VC capital involved, no pre-sale, no none of that. Only straight from osmosis from the DEX and airdrops. So check it out. You could also get leverage like to gold, silver, and oil. I think those are the first products that they're opening on their DApp once it goes live. The cool thing is you can track the price of oil. You can track the price of those commodities while getting like return on them. And anyone who holds physical gold, like the whole thing with physical gold and silver is basically it's in your hand, it's in your possession. No third counterparty risk. Like no one can take it away from you. But people call it like a barbarous relic because you can't like get yield off it typically. With like derivatives like this, you can track the price action of gold and still get yield off it. It's not physical, but hey, different strokes. Still a decentralized platform, so you got that going for you. 13 people, what's up? Agreed, my G. Dope. What the shit? 500,000 DGB. Hey, DGB, man. I think it might. DGB. Can't spell. DGB. I couldn't spell DGB. $3. 3 cents, 3.8 cents, pretty much. Hey, I told you, right? I told you from my DGB video 3 months ago. It's doing this freaking thing. The fractal. This looks like this. It's playing this out exactly, man. We're probably going to pump up, and then I might do a nice-ass dip down just like it did right here. It's going to feel like shit. It's going to feel real bad. Trust. But if it's playing this psychology exactly, and this U thing, cup and handle thing happens, guess what came next? A 10x. I like it. I like it a lot. I'm waiting for DigiByte to go lower. Can I hit 2 cents? Can I hit 1 cent? Can I get even lower than that? I don't care, because what it's showing me is this psychology is playing out the same. And then this happened. If this structure plays out the same, why wouldn't this happen on this side? Hey, I feel DGB fam. It sucks, but it's not all bad news. Use it to our advantage, man. Hey, Dub, you in solo airdrop? The fuck? How do I know? What is it? So many airdrops. Oh yeah, there's another airdrop. I'll tell you later. But no, what is it, man? How do I get it? Am I eligible? I like free money. Thanks, I appreciate it, Dub. Anytime, man. Yeah, it's hard, man. Like, like some of these new projects, they be getting hacked or like people trying to mess with them and stuff, and things not going exactly right, and they're getting off the ground. They're a solid project. They do what they say. I've talked to the founders and stuff. It's just that they're having a problem with the airdrop, which sucks because they're trying to like fairly distribute. They're really trying to fairly distribute amongst lots of people. They just ran into a snag. But, you know, like, hey, guys, I got a feeling about Comdex. Like, to be quite honest, I got a feeling about Comdex. I'll show you what happened to SNX. I found this at 80 cents 2020. Look what it's doing now. This is something that's doing something similar to the niche that Comdex is in. It just was the first one on ETH. Synthetics. I mean, yeah. Look, 80 cents, May 2020. Right when I quit my job, saw this sucker. Look what happened. Ran up. Can you say that there's a big need for derivatives? Yeah. Yeah. The reason I say, you know, like these protocols that give you the ability to get leverage to pricing of commodities is because I'm anticipating an inflationary environment to occur. Commodities are typically inflation hedges, right? You could even jump into like a commodity that's less volatile than crypto. See, it's a tool, man. I think it's interesting, but that's just me. I'm old like that too, man. I like old stuff. I'm like new, but I like old stuff too. You know, I'd be listening to my grandpa a lot. He taught me the old ways. Hope you had a Merry Christmas, Dub. I did, man. I had a good Christmas. I did. Drank a lot of soju. It's like Korean, like alcohol. Yeah. My wife's fam, they get down on that soju. Shit, man. Shit. How come every time I drink, I start talking about crypto? I'm that dude. If you hold XRP or solo. Oh, really? If I hold it like if I hold it in my ledger, I get solo? How do I get my songbird? What am I get my flare? Now I get solo? Man, I like it to come though. I agree when everyone says the top will be March to May, like November, December this year. Avi will not happen, although prepared if it does. If F or November 2022, we felt like geniuses for holding, all conjecture. See, this is the thing, man. Like I told you, statistically speaking, and I was trying to do the best with the data points that I had. The 4-year cycle. Why it still could happen. I'm just like letting you know it's getting less and less likely. I'm a fair dude, but it could still happen, I guess. But yeah, data points. Statistically speaking, you need 3 data points to make a statistical trend. We only have 2 cycles from now, right? So this is really showing us the nature of the cycle. How long will it extend? Will it just be barely into January? Because I told you that the tops of Bitcoin were translating to the right about 14 days up until now. Now, 14 days puts us really at like December 30th or some shit. Like it hasn't even come yet. That's a really parabolic move. I guess it could happen. Just the ones that we've seen so far have happened over the course of about a month and a half. Month and a half would really put us into, well, now damn near February, middle of February, right? March to May, it seems like it's a nice, safe kind of like error of margin. You know what I'm saying? Margin error, whatever. But yeah, man, I'm just holding. Like this is where it gets like everyone wants to make it a damn science project, but it never was. It never was. Everyone says, I got the magic secret sauce. I know exactly what's going to happen. They never do. They never do. Act like the authority. Act like the authority. Get people to think I know what I'm talking about. Monetize their trust. To be honest. Look, we know that every 4 years, crypto goes up a lot. Crypto went up a good amount. It needs to go up more. When will that happen? Time will tell. But you came this far, right? You came this far. At some point, guys, you just got to get stupid in life and say, I got to do whatever it takes. I got to do whatever it takes. If it's now, if it's next month, hell, I've been holding for goddamn 7 years. Whatever it takes, man. No one said it was going to be easy, but hopefully it's worth it. 14 people, what's up? I used XRP Toolkit and connected my ledger, but the snapshot was taken the 24th and the distribution is January 20th. XRP Toolkit. Yeah, I mean, I've had my XRP for a long time. I bought my XRP at 17 cents. So like I should be eligible. The snapshot was taken the 24th of this month. I like free coins, man. If you guys don't know, real quick, ICX as an airdrop. If you guys have any ICX, they're doing a double airdrop for the EVM compatible blockchains, one for Polkadot and one for Kusama. It's called Snow and Ice. Give me a second, I'm being slow. Yeah. Don't believe me? Look at it. Earlier today, we announced Icon's entry into Polkadot ecosystem with this blog post. Yeah. Ice and snow, retweet, whatever. I'll bring it up. I'm going to drop it in the chat down here. You guys could click it. You guys have ICX. You got to do some things. I have to actually move my shit from my ledger to one of these approved like wallets so they could snapshot and I could receive it. But check it out. Earlier this, okay, as a substrate-based chain, ICE will be able to plug directly into Polkadot ecosystem as an EVM compatible and BTP optimized application chain. And that's what we intend to do. They explain some of that shit, the parachain strategy, ICE and Snow. I think ICE is like for DOT, Snow is for Snow is for Kusama, which is the canary network for DOT, so on and so forth. The cool thing is it's 1-to-1. So for every ICX you have and you have held in their wallet, just make sure to check it out, do some research in which ones it is. I glanced over it earlier. But every ICX you hold in that compatible wallet, you get one ICE and one Snow. So you're getting a total of, you're going to have 3 coins at the end of it when you really have a total of 1 coin bag. Winning. Guys, don't be poo-pooing these airdrops, man. I got the freaking Uniswap airdrop just for doing a swap for fucking RSR like a year ago. That should turn into a lot of money at one point. Don't poo-poo it. I mean, if someone's gonna give you something for free, why not? Go check it out, especially that icon. Pegaxi PGX is on my radar. You may like it. I may. PGX. Hey, what's your guys' New Year's resolution? And don't let it be Bitcoin related. What am I doing? Yeah. 33 cents. Okay. Shit. What happened here, man? What is it doing? What's the supply? A 1 billion? Market cap is under 10 million. That's tiny. That's pretty. Oh, it's not under 10 million, but it's damn near close to 10 million. This shit jumped up. No volume. Interesting. What is it doing? PGX is free to play merch horsing racing game built on blockchain. As a play to earn metaverse, Pegasus allows users to create real world value through okay. Metaverse? I like to go on the Metaverse's websites. Oh shit. Look at this shit, man. That horse looks badass, dude. Pegasus Galaxy is a racing game with futuristic mythological styling. Pega, the horses, are descendants of the mighty Pegasus. In this game, players will participate in PvP format races to win rewards in the platform native utility token, BIS. Vigorous. That's how you say it. Racing, breeding, renting. Oh, damn. Breeding. Bow, chicka, wow. Whether you breed Pega for resale or profit or fun, or even breed it for your scholars. For your scholars? What? Whatever. Does anyone know about it that I do? Oh, the homie Jack. Interesting. Yeah, I'll follow it. Metaverse, racing. Your NFTs could fuck and make new NFTs. That sounds cool. Yeah, man. It's really small still. What is it on? Yeah, I know it's on a metaverse. What kind of chain is it on? I guess I could look at the contract. Polygon. It's Polygon. That's funny because D-Race was a popular racing betting game on Polygon. Now there's a derivative of it. I mean, it did well. And this is up 26%. Interesting. D-Race was like one of the biggest like NFT draws on Polygon yet. I mean, I think the horses look pretty badass on this. Cool, check it out. Also, I think blow off tops on the heavily traded tokens are a thing of the past. BTC March May is likely what tops looks like in future, in my opinion. You on board with that, or am I on an island? I don't think so, man. I don't think so. I don't think it's a thing of the past. I mean, like, they're the ones having grayscale trust. So I think that they're the ones that are like getting sanctioned to have big money flow into it. Big money. I think smaller coins will pop a lot too, but that's more so because they're small market cap. You're not going to have a big hedge fund like move in to this PEGAXC game, right? Like, it's too small right now. 10 million, dog. Like, their funds are trying to push billions into shit. Like, they're gonna boom, and it's not proven, and they're very risk adverse, right? So like, that's why grayscale exists, in my opinion. That's why GPTC exists. That's why all that stuff exists, because it's like, okay, this has been vetted. This is like decentralized enough. This is the use case. It's big. There's liquidity for you to get in and out of. See, that's what they care about. Big money, when you got a lot of money, you don't want to slip the price on yourself. The slippage is going to kill you. Like, even on smaller dexes, like, I'd be trying to trade stuff, and I don't even have huge bags like that, man. And I'm slipping myself 80%. Like, how are you going to do business with no liquidity? So, like, these big coins, they have that liquidity. It just takes more money. But we have people with a lot more money now, you know? Yeah, maybe the days of, like, hundreds of X's on those coins are gone. I feel you. But it takes more money to push price, like big market caps up. I see entrants that have that money that could push those market caps up. Maybe just not like stupid Moonboy Lambo altcoin force gains. Maybe that's still for the small caps. But they want the price increases. They want the liquidity. They don't want the risk. So I don't see them venturing too far into altcoin forest like that. It's going to be sanctioned like bigger altcoins, in my opinion. You know what I'm saying? Like, you got to think like a bank, Banks aren't out there trying to like do crazy shit. Banks just want a steady return for their board, Fire. Did you get your SOS? I don't know, man. They are doing scholarships like Axie. Scholarships? Axie did scholarships? They're paying for kids' schools and shit? Hey, the children are the future, man. Do you have a good crypto tax CPA you recommend? Man, like, see, the thing is with like crypto taxes, like, crypto's new. Like, a lot of CPAs don't know about it. You can look it up. Shit, I was looking for some. The long story, no. What I typically do is I calculate my shit for the CPA, and it prints out like that like profit loss form, right? So like, you can use some stuff connected up to your accounts and your wallets. It's called Coinly, right? And then it gives you the document that you can hand to a CPA. But if you want to do strategy and stuff, like, those people are kind of like few and far between. You might want to do some research in your state in terms of I guess licensed CPAs and stuff, and you have to call and see if they do crypto. There's like some like accounting houses and stuff that I was talking to that do crypto like that, but like, they're charging like crazy money, dude. God damn. Like, they're like really working with miners and exchanges and stuff. So it's kind of like the smaller investor that what am I trying to say? That market is still developing, right? Because crypto knowledge is still pretty between us. There are some crypto people who are CPAs, not enough, So right now I'm kind of handling it through calculating that for them by doing the Coinly thing, which CPAs are typically supposed to use by themselves, but I'm doing half the fucking legwork for them right now. So no, man, but like, I do a research. Like, I try to reach out to multiple CPAs and explain my situation, and they denied me. Renting is the thing. Polygon. Oh, you can rent horses? That's tight. It's a recurring income. People rent axes as scholars, and they literally rise out of poverty. PGX is doing something similar. I want to know more. I feel like I don't know enough. Since December isn't here to shill his stuff. Since Dabmaster isn't here to shill his stuff, I'm a new member of the Gorgeous Gorilla Gang. Oh, that's tight. Crazy NFT ecosystem with drops and growlers coming soon after mint. Check out their yellow paper for info. Yeah, guys, go check out Gorgeous Gorilla Gang. One of the homies of the channel. Sub to the channel. Dabmaster, he's been making coins, doing NFT projects. I like that. Gorilla. Huh, it's not coming up on my Twitter. I thought I was following. My bad. But yeah, go check it out. Gorgeous Gorilla Gang. All right, guys, 50 minutes in. I mean, what else we got? Let me remove this volume. Wait, how do I remove the volume? Oh, yeah, duh. Okay, so you guys know how we saw a ascendant triangle on the Bitcoin liquid index chart. Well, we see the reverse on the Bitcoin dominance chart. When this chart goes down, you see red candles. It's basically money's flowing out of Bitcoin and has been flowing in altcoins most recently. In the event of a bear market, you'll see this like in the event of the bear market, money seems to go out of the market into like stable coins and dollars and stuff. So you'll see like Bitcoin's price going down and alts going down even more, but Bitcoin capturing and keeping more of its wealth than the altcoins. We're not seeing that right now. We see Bitcoin price go down a little bit, bleed a little bit off, and then that money revert and invests itself into altcoins. We see Polygon blowing up. We see Mana blowing up. We see Sam blowing up. We see a bunch of coins, Doge blowing up. We see Shiba blowing up. Whenever you see that, it's showing you that money is rotating. Money is rotating out of Bitcoin into other coins. That's what you want to see when you want like a bullish sentiment in a market. People are inherently feeling risky. They're about that growth. They're trying to make multiples on their money. They're moving it into other altcoins. That's good. That's what we want to see. But we have a descending triangle occurring, right? And this suggests like, okay. So basically it's saying like what, December 22, but whenever Bitcoin takes off, right? Alts are going to follow. And if Bitcoin takes off in all-time highs again, it's going to tell people that Bitcoin's not dead. I need to be up in this market. You know how many people are sitting on the sidelines right now waiting to see what happens? They want to be 100% sure. They want to have no risk at all. They'll wait till Bitcoin goes up again. There's a shitload of people with money like that. They're waiting. And once Bitcoin takes off past 70,000 into blue sky breakout again, they're going to say, oh, shit, I got caught my pants down. I'm going to shove all that money I had back in there. And then they're probably going to make some money. And then they're going to start moving it around. And this is going to drop down to all-time lows again. Just like it happened right here. Look. Drop. We're going to drop. It's been my expectation between 30 to 20%. It could go lower, but I'm not going to get crazy about it. But it's showing you which direction it wants to go. Bitcoin's showing you through its structure what direction it wants to go. Ascending triangle. This is a descending triangle. Bitcoin dominance wants to drop, meaning all coins going to pop off. Bitcoin's price wants to go up. What happens? It has to happen first before all coins go insane. Bitcoin has to be doing well. Bitcoin's structure is indicating that over, enough time, it's probably going to do well. And this is showing you this wants to drop, which means all coins are probably going to do better. It's all hints. It's showing you right there. Yeah, I mean, you could keep doubting it. I understand. It's a scary place, man. Internet's a scary place. Crypto's a scary place. No one said it wasn't. No one said it wasn't. But at least I was real with you. At least I told you it wasn't going to be easy. It's not. You got to work for this shit, man. The fuck? You can't have free shit. You can't. God ain't going to give you blessings for free, man. You got to work for that shit, man. Right? Right? That's why not everyone's blessed in the world, man. It's deserved. It's deserved. That could be you though, if you putting out work. What's the work in this situation? We're just sitting around waiting for this shit to go up. You gotta sit in that gray area, man. That uncertainties, that buds, that doubt. It's a testament of your faith. Testament of your faith. But 90% of the move occurs in 10% of the time. Hey, man, I'm just saying. I didn't come all this way to just bail right now. No, that's maybe someone else, not me. Let's see. If you ever used OpenSea, you qualify for this airdrop. Sorry, that is not the domain. Get off CMC. Oh shit, for real? Is it CoinGecko? You give much thought to a big run up in Jan? It could. Like, I mean, see, this is the thing, man. Like, wouldn't it just be like crypto to do some shit like that? Like, everyone's like, oh, March, May, boom. Oh, they got caught with their pants down. They thought they had more time. The thing is, whenever there's a big blow off, everyone thinks they had more time. I mean, this is the psychology pattern I see playing out, right? Everyone, it makes sense. March, May, it makes sense. Everyone kind of has a consensus around that. People agree. And then it just takes off. And everyone's scrambling. And oh shit, and they start throwing money at it. Why do you think crypto spikes like that? Because people were caught with their pants down. They just always happen to get caught with their pants down. That's why I like to just hold my shit. You know what I'm saying? Because I recognize that crypto's number one job is to catch people with their pants down. That's why the people FOMO like that. That's why people keep throwing money in. They're not, if it played out exactly like everyone thought it'd play out, then it wouldn't be so parabolic, you know? So like, I always have that option on the table. The structure is just one thing, you know? So I'm going to trust the geometry on this, but I'm not going to sit here and act like it's never surprised people ever before, because it definitely has. Hey, I would be happy if it did. I mean, shit, like I'd rather have for it to happen sooner rather than later, you know? But that's why I'm not outcome dependent on this shit. I'm not trying to force the market. That's a fool's errand. You can worry, you can do all the research you want, you could take all the courses you want, doesn't matter. It's still going to happen when it happens. You know, when you like start thinking of the market, it's not controlled by your will. It's more like the tide. Right? You're out in the riptide. You could swim as much as you want. You could struggle, you could fight, you could try to go opposite direction. You're going to get tired, and it's going to take you whatever it takes you. But when you swim with the riptide to the side of it, you could eventually get to shore. But you got to give up some of that control. You know, trading's a lot like that. I got caught in a riptide, man. I almost died. I'm just taking that lesson and applying it to this. Let's see. That domain is for SOS airdrop. Do your own research. The SOS drop is legit. Big time OpenSea player got billions of tokens. Here, I got 70 mil. Damn, man. Remember me when you're on the moon, dude. Yo, Dub, after a year, do you still believe in EOS? I do, man. I do. I do believe in EOS. You know why I believe in EOS? Because like the SEC. It's weird. Look, I've had coins that I thought died come back to life and surprise the shit out of me. Veritasium. They got hit by the SEC all of a sudden out of nowhere. Fucking they come back to life. Look at this. I like it. But my bags be pumping. Just to show you guys how stupid this looked. 2019, SEC comes, takes all their fucking coins. I'm driving to work. I'm like, oh my God, why? Like crying in the parking lot and shit. Then all of a sudden it pops up to $20. I saw that. I was like, whatever, it's dead. And then it starts doing a doji thing. I mean, like, what the shit? No one had this. There's only 2 million coins in circulation. The SEC took 98 million. They're probably never going to give it back. So, like, the supply is low. No one has this thing. It's out of nowhere. But all of a sudden, a patent gets granted that was applied for in 2014. They applied for this patent in 2014 and it starts coming back. Look, whenever the government's involved in something I just feel like they have a plan, man. I mean, the government's not stupid. China's making a blockchain system. I just feel like they have a plan and they're picking winners. EOS has a similar story. And no one was able to explain to me why the SEC went through all the trouble to prosecute them, a shitload of prosecution, and they charged them a couple $1,000,000 after Block 1 raised a couple $1 billion from their sale. That's not a very big punishment. They know that. They're not stupid. Really? I used to work for government agencies with them. They're not stupid. Why would they do that? And EOS actually got like deemed unregistered security. They could have threw the book at them. But you know what they did? They gave them $500,000 and a waiver that never gets granted. And when I see things like this with Veritasium happening, and I see things like that with EOS, I just got to ask the question, what the shit is going on? And then I just, I'll hold it because I think there's a plan that I don't know about. Explain it to me. Please do. EOS haters, please explain that to me. We can ignore it. I don't like to ignore it. Explain it to me. What could that mean? I don't know. It just seems like, they just keep sticking around. Keep sticking around. Hey, man, I remember a coin that did that before. Bitcoin just kept sticking around. I remember a coin that did that before. Veritasium just kept sticking around. I'll keep it back. 13 people, what's up? Seems BCH, EOS, LTC, XRP all suppressed by SEC lawsuit. XRP, I mean, dude, if you can't sell, I'm like an underdog lover. I love underdogs. I mean, that's the reason I got into Bitcoin. This is the thing, man. Everyone who acts like an expert in this whole space, they're bullshitters. Ain't no experts here. No experts. No one knows what's going on. No one. There's no plan. That's conspiracy. Oh, really? Do you know Bitcoin was birthed out of conspiracy? This is the place for conspiracies, man. EOS, LTC, XRP, these are BCH. These are all things I have. Why? Because I see a world and a future where like deals have already been made. Anything is laughed at. I like that. I like that. More gains for me. Let's see. 14 people. What's up? Hour 3 in. Hey. Anything else, guys? Oh yeah, I'm making NFTs. I got into making a video on it. The WAN Chain OpenZoo, like their NFT store. It's coming live soon, but I got into the beta program where like I can like post my NFTs early. I'm working with a homie from WAN Chain to make NFTs. It's gonna be pretty dope. Pretty dope. It's like animation and music combined. So be on the lookout. I'll let you guys know about it. StarkX launch from Starkware. Supposedly you can interact with contract and become eligible for a fat drop. I need a new computer to do it. Can't download Docker. Why you need a computer? Do I need a better computer? My computer's pretty badass, but I need a new computer. I'm becoming like a tech nerd, man. I guess it's like inevitable, right? I'm in crypto. What else, guys? What else? I mean, same shit. Oh, we could look at CoinMarketCap. Why not? That's always fun. The hell is this dude? Deep dives? El Salvador and Big. Why do they always look freaking surprised on their shit, man? I hate that shit. Come on, man. Shit. We ain't never gonna get respect if we keep looking like that. 13 people, what's up? KDA, top gainer. Phantom has been killing it. Cosmos, guys. Cosmos is doing its thing. Polygon's taking off again. I mean, look at Polygon. It's already a new all-time highs, I believe. Yeah. So for you guys to think that the bull run's over, how come alts are still hitting new all-time highs? That's a real question. Cosmos, yeah. I like Cosmos. See, that's a W pattern right there. That's a big-ass W. That's a big one. Did a resistance support flip right here. It just took a long-ass time. Now it's heading back up again. Cosmos. And you get a whole bunch of like airdrops too. It's pretty tight. You guys watch my Cosmos video. I talk about it. The European Union was talking about it like as an interoperable digital solution. We got China talking about it being part of their blockchain national system. They got a lot of money behind them. Hey. Dub, have you invested in any DAOs? I got into Papa DAO. Papa DAO? Is that for dads? No, I haven't. I mean, not really. I mean, like, honestly, I mean, every DEX is kind of like a DAO, right? Like Uniswap, WANSwap, SushiSwap. Anything you can give governance is like a DAO. But a DAO specifically, is that what you're talking about? I'm not sure. I would like to be part of American Crypto Fed, though, on EOS. That's like, they were like legally like recognized in the state of Wyoming. Wyoming is like the crypto haven in the United States right now. Texas is trying to do its thing. Miami's trying to come up there, but Wyoming from a legal perspective is like killing it. Like they're legally recognizing decentralized organizations and shit, which is pretty insane. But nah. My old Mac doesn't support Docker, which is needed to use Stark X. FOMOing. Does that feel how FOMO feels? I need to buy more crypto. Go take a walk, man. Take a walk. 14 people. Okay. Pretty cool. I'm wearing the Atari shirt. Some of you guys don't even know what Atari is. It's my life now. Damn. I was at my wife's cousin's house, and I was like looking at some of these toys these kids got now. That shit is futuristic as shit. They have hoverboards, man. I'm like, they got little drones like this big. I'm like, oh my God. If I was a kid right now, I'd be going insane. Shit, man. I used to have like Lincoln Logs and shit. Lincoln Logs, what else? I love Lincoln Logs, dude. I would build the biggest buildings and knock them down. That's how it goes, though. What else, guys? Any questions? I'm here. I'm live. I'm running out of ideas. I don't want to do the news today. I got a bunch of clothes for Christmas. Some of them are hot, you know. Some of them are not. That's the way it goes. Been trying to stack Atari on Pancake, 6 cents. Wow, is that a synchronicity, man? You know what? That's not a bad idea. Look at Atari, man. I'm wearing the shirt. Atari Token. Atari. Sometimes my investments go like that. I was in a cycle class and a guy had an Atom shirt on, but it was like a brand. But I was like, Atom? Should I buy more Atom? I'm looking for meaning in all the wrong places. Let's see, Atari. Let's go look at the website. Because you know gaming is a big thing. And guess who's all up in Sandbox? Atari. You know, so like if that ecosystem catches traction, you know people are going to be going to Atari to play games. Like, why wouldn't you? Got Atari devs building games in it. So not a bad thing. But I do question how the coin will be used, because didn't Atari make a partnership with Litecoin? Pretty sure they did. So much more than video games. Atari Token. We are building the token that will power the future of interactive entertainment industry. Only 6 cents. What was the 7 billion? 11% out in circulation. Okay. Contract addresses. Okay, that's where you get it. The white paper. Atari Token is a centralized cryptocurrency that was created to become the token of reference for the interactive entertainment industry. Our goal is to have the Atari Token used as widely as possible across the interactive entertainment industry, allowing developers and publishers new options for exploration of their exploitation. That sounds bad. Of their products, integration of smart contracts, protection of in-game assets, and so much more. Okay, that's a lot, but like how? Smart contract, liquidity, easy integration, much more. Skills matter. You could buy digital dresses. Partners, Engine, Bitcoin.com. So that's Roger Vere's shit. Chain Games, Engine, Game Taco, Litecoin. See, Litecoin Foundation's right there. Rari, OpenSea, Ultra Wax. I mean, cool. Tight. Interesting. I mean, what's the deal though? Yeah, what's the deal with it? I know that they're in Decentraland. I mean, a sandbox. I know that they're got some cool partners. How do you use the coin? I mean, I'm pretty sure it's in the white paper, right? I'm just not gonna read that right now. Maybe it's in the FAQs. Yeah, it is in FAQs. What can I do with the Atari token? The Atari token will immediately be available as a medium of exchange within the Atari network for various Atari goods and services, including those of Atari's partners. The token will also be usable with Atari's universe games, with long-term goals to provide as many as possible, so stay tuned. It's ERC20, objective payment within the interactive. Okay, but do they have their... It sounds like they might have their own ecosystem coming out. Where I buy it? Where can you buy it? Tokens pre-sale. You can Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin. Okay, yeah, we know. They already did that. Okay. Sounds interesting, man. Lane, give me some alpha on it though. Like, are they building their own metaverse? It sounds like it's a natural thing to do, but they're also in other metaverses. I guess that makes sense. Let me know. I've changed one of my investment strategies. I only invest in coins that have staking. So as you can use weaponized time to your advantage. Makes sense. Just so you guys know, I think Akash on it's a centralized like cloud service and stuff. Akash on Cosmos, I think they have about 50% staking right now, APR, so annually. Persistence has 30%. I think Comdex is about 40 to 50%. You know, yeah. I feel you on that. It's just you can make a lot. I mean, I'm gonna be doing staking for sure in the bear market. I mean, that's how you can weaponize time. I think that you've learned that some of these down periods can be pretty long. So like getting a yield on it would lessen some of the capital depreciation that occurred on the drop. Good strategy. I got a little bag of Atari, DCA, a little there, here and there. The other, user-based infrastructure. I bought EOS at $3 a year ago. Yeah, me too. And didn't sell it at 15, and now we are at some point. So it's painful to hold while other coins are making all-time highs. Try to keep my belief in it like you dub. Yeah, I mean, it's okay, man. Sorry. Fucking happens, man. Fucking happens. Who cares? I mean, I flipped half the bag at 6. You know, I was doing that like double thing. Yeah. Happens, bro. You know, just this next pump, just make sure you get paid. Just because like you missed it doesn't mean it's not going to do well. Just means there's a missed opportunity. But what are we going to do? Cry about missed opportunities? No, not productive. Not doing that. Just get better next time and make sure you capitalize next time. But we're not going to cry about it. Nope. No, I don't feel sorry for none of you. None of you. We're going to get through it. We're wolves. All right. Hour 15 in. This has been Crypto and Coffee. It's been fun, guys. Next stream will be on Wednesday. So make sure to tune in. Try and do 5 o'clock, I believe. Yeah, 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. We'll do Crypto Kickback. That's just my live streams on Wednesdays. But until next time, guys, it's been fun. Dubdigital. Talk to you later. Peace.